Building a great product is no longer about just writing great code. It's about envisioning an experience, engineering for scale, and evolving constantly. Today, with AI stepping in as the accelerator into the product engineering lifecycle, the potential for developing exceptional software products has been significantly enhanced. This shift reduces repetitive coding and shortens feedback loops, enabling software engineers to focus more on system design and user-centric improvements that elevate the overall product experience. But how exactly does this transformation unfold? Here's how artificial intelligence creates value at every stage of the product engineering lifecycle. Stage 1. Research. It all starts with teams aligning their vision and decoding user behavior and trends. With AI in the mix, insights surface faster, sharpening the product roadmap and setting a smarter course. Stage 2. Design. Designers then drive the process by planning journeys and wireframes. Here, AI supports them by suggesting layouts and simulating flows, making the journey smoother and more effective. Stage 3. Development. When developers start building core features, AI becomes a handy assistant by suggesting improvements, flagging issues, and automating repetitive tasks, resulting in cleaner code. Stage 4. Testing. As the testing phase begins, AI complements software testers' efforts by auto-generating test cases, identifying edge scenarios, and learning from past bugs to reduce test cycles. Stage 5. Deployment. While software engineers gear up for takeoff next, AI plays mission control, tracking performance, spotting glitches, and fine-tuning infrastructure to ensure a smooth, stellar user experience. Stage 6. Maintenance. Post-launch, AI steps in to predict issues and enable self-healing, allowing engineering teams to focus less on firefighting and more on continuous innovation. So, if you're still treating product engineering as a linear, manual process, it's time to rethink and make AI your next best collaborative tech. Reimagine what's possible by accelerating your product engineering lifecycle. Everything powered by AI.